Drive-by club. Vroom, vroom. Pa, 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 pa. Alright, learner drivers, listen up. This DVSA has decided to throw a little spanner in the works. That, oh no, I'm not ready moment is just become 10 times more expensive. The 3 working days notice to change your test without losing the fee is gone. It's now a whopping 10 full working days. Miss that deadline and your money is gone. Why the change? They are basically saying they are sick of people bottling it at the last minute and wasting test slots. They have made it a lot harder to get out of your booking, forcing you to be absolutely certain you are ready before you even click confirm. It's the ultimate test of commitment. Are you ready for your test, or are you ready to throw away a decent chunk of your money? Well, if you're a driving instructor, you're probably saying, about time? No more last minute phone calls from a nervous Nelly who suddenly has a cold. But what if you've done your mock test and your instructor says, you are not ready, mate? Too bad. You're inside the 10-day window. You've basically bought a non-refundable ticket to a very stressful hour of your life. This new rule adds another layer of pressure. It's not just about learning to drive. It's about being absolutely sure you're ready a week and a half in advance. There you have it. The new rule is in. Is it a tough but fair move to fix a broken system? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. The more sarcastic, the better. And if you're a learner, good luck. You're going to need it.